A disaster can strike without warning. Wildfires, floods, earthquake, we see it all the time on the news. When it does, you may only have minutes, not hours, to get out. And are you ready for that? Most people aren't prepared. They'll grab a bag, they might stare at it, and then they may freeze up. Today we're going to try to fix that. So here's what it takes to build a 72-hour bug-out bag. Your bug-out bag is your lifeline when you need it and need to be able to leave fast. It keeps you safe. It has food, water, and shelter, and hopefully it will last you for 72 hours until help arrives. Everything in that bag falls into 6 essential categories: water, food, first aid, important documents, tools, and clothing. So let's walk through each one of these right now. Rule number 1, water first. Your body can survive weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. This is a top priority. Next, pack at least 1 gallon per person per day, 3 gallons minimum, and that's a minimum. Add a portable water filter to this overall pack up, and it could save your life down the road. Next, when it comes to food supply, go lightweight and calorie dense. Use energy bars, freeze-dried meals, trail mix. Try to target 2,000 calories per person per day, but make sure you don't have to cook these items. You want to be able to grab and go. Next, an important one is a solid first aid kit, and this is non-negotiable. You need to stock bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and medical tape, and a tourniquet. Also include personal medications. Whatever's in this bag, make sure you know how to use it. Important documents also need to be covered, and they need to be in a waterproof pouch. You need to have an ID, passport, insurance, emergency contacts, and like we discussed in episode 1, make sure you add cash to this and understand that ATMs will likely be offline in an emergency. Next, you need to stay informed and stay visible, so pack a good flashlight and extra batteries, and also hand-cranked emergency radio for weather, etc. Also a two-way radio if you have it. This could help cover situations and emergency communications down the road. Pack a good change of clothes, dress for the situation, have a rain poncho, sturdy boots, etc., or jacket as needed, and the weather could change fast in an emergency, so dress for the worst, and your safety may depend on that. Do not overlook medications and hygiene. Pack a 3-day prescription supply. This is critical. You want to add soap, hand sanitizer, and toilet paper to this, since small items can make a big difference. Before you zip that bag, run your checklist for water, food, first aid, documents, tools, and clothing, and medications. Check it twice. Find any missing items now, not when the alarm sounds. Well, so your 72-hour bug-out bag is complete. You've done what you had to and done what most never will. You've prepared. When disaster strikes, you'll be calm and ready to go for that event. So that's episode 2 from Guard Dawg Solutions. Please hit subscribe for episode 3. We're going to cover other emergency preparedness items in the future, and I hope your whole family will be able to take advantage of this. Be prepared, be protected.